program is write a program in Python to print the message welcome to Python in computer screen. So we have to print the message welcome to Python in computer screen. So open Python software. Click at option file, choose option new file, type the program code here, print welcome to Python. Now click at option file, click at option save. Now type any file name. Here we have typed the file name A1. Save the file. Now in order to run the program, we have to pick the option run and choose option run module. Now see here, welcome to Python is printed on the screen. This is your first program. Now our second program is write a program in Python to input two numbers and find out their addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Click at option file, file में जाके new file, a equal to int input, enter first number. This message will display when we run the program. B equal to int input, enter second number. Now C equal to A plus B. Now print statement is used to display result. Now save the file, click at option file, save as, type file name A2, click at option save. Now run, click at option run and run module. When we run the program, it will ask us to enter first number. We have to give the first number 12, second number 13, and you will get the output. Now our third program is write a program in Python to input any number and print their squares and cubes. So file, new file, a equal to int input, enter first number. Take any number as an input. Take any number as input. B बराबर A into A. C बराबर A into A into A. Print the square of the number is B. The cube of the number is C. Now save the file. File, click at option save. Type file name A3. Now run module. Now program is asking to enter any number. We have to enter any number here. We have entered 5. So the square of the number 5 is 25 and the cube of the number is 125. So now move to the next program. Write a program in Python to input marks in 5 subjects out of 100 and print total marks, percentage marks and average marks. File, click at option file, new file. Thy equal to int input. If phy is our variable, we have to enter marks in 5 subjects. Now, in order to get total marks, we have to use the formula total equal to PHY plus CHEM plus ENG math plus ENG plus computer. By using this formula, we can get total marks in 5 subjects. Now, in order to get percentage, we have to use the formula TER equal to total divided by 500 into 100. In this formula, we can get percentage marks. Average marks, use formula AVG equal to total divided by 5. Now print the total marks is now click at option file, save, type the program file name A4. Now run module. Now click at option run and run module. Enter marks in physics 90, enter marks in chemistry 80, enter marks in maths 100, enter marks in English 80, enter marks in computer 95. So the total marks is 445, percentage is 89, and average marks is 89. This is your output. Thank you. Have a nice day.